Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica S in the shop. And I came in for issue with the brew unit. The brew unit was actually not wanting to move, and talking with the customer a little bit, they actually had never removed the brew unit in 30 plus years that they used the machine. And so when I actually opened the door, I noticed that the brew unit was just completely seized with old coffee, and to the point where I had to hammer the lever down that's on the brew unit that'll put it in home position to be unlocked and to be removed. After removing it and replacing it with a new brew unit, the machine actually worked decently. So we did a complete tune-up on the machine just to clean out all of that caked up coffee inside of the brew chamber, and descaled the machine. Did a few cleaning cycles to clean out the spouts and the mechanic valve and anything behind that. We did replace the gasket on the mechanic valve, as you can see here, and just make sure everything worked as normal. So now we're just going to quickly do a shot. Right now we're grinding into the brew unit, and then the brew unit is going to move into the mechanic valve, acting as a tamper, as you can see. Now it's going to get ready to brew. You're going to see a few drops come out for a split second, and then it's going to start brewing. There you go. Let it run. Turns off like normal. It's going to retract. It's going to push all that grounds coffee into the ground chamber, or the grounds chamber, for it to get out here. Just so you can see nice little coffee pucks. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.